Okay, Mahesh, I was curious to ask you, so in a world where today video entertainment, is really everywhere, what makes us, Savan as, a audio streaming platform, what makes it interesting to have a celebrity audio talk show, according to you?
It's a great question. I get asked this question pretty often, actually. Audio is actually a very beautiful medium. If you think about it, when the cameras are off, that's when you really get people to speak their mind.
Yeah, I agree.
These are uninhibited conversations, literally no filter conversations. And I think Neha does a fantastic job of getting them to talk at that moment as well.
I totally agree with you. After that Varun Dhawan listening, I think Neha, you've got the gift of getting people to say things which they probably didn't plan to say, which makes me ask you, what makes No Filter Neha different from other celebrity talk shows?
I think, firstly, that it's audio. So that's what makes it completely different. It's a completely different platform. The fact that it's on Savan, it's not video. I get asked this question a lot, why is it not video? The answer is it's not video yet. So yeah, so that's the first and most important thing. For me, the one thing that sets this show apart is the research that goes into it. So we have a way of doing research where first we have a team that does research where you get everything that's available online about the person, and then we make sure we put all that information aside. We literally put it through the shredder and we're like, we never want to hear this again or read about this. And then we start making our calls and getting amazing info out. Like literally, I have cold called so many people in the past 1 year. Like I remember cold calling Ranveer's best friend, and then Imtiaz's friend sitting somewhere in Calcutta, and Karan's childhood friend, or someone or the other, and then getting info out. So the minute you give them that information,
right,
they're like, oh my God, how did you know this? And I think most importantly is the way, I love the monologues that are there. It's a part of my life, and like I introduced, and this is where my wicked writer comes into play, and she's sitting right here. That's Mansi, who's the writer of the show. And it's just the way she formats the questions, or the way we think about the questions. We take them to a point where they don't have a choice but to be unfiltered.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, believe it or not, there's a science to it. And I think that a large part of it, like, there's nothing more that I enjoy when it comes to the media, even more than, no offense, like amazing photographs. What I enjoy is a great interview. Like when somebody has spent time to read about me or get to know me and then get to know me better, I love spending time with those journalists or those people who like to interview me. And I want to make it special for our guests, or our team would like to make it special for our guests, because when they come and they give us that 1.5 hours or 2 hours of their time, we want to spend at least 4 days or a week doing that research to make them feel important. So yeah, I know it was a simple question and a long answer, but we spent a lot of time.
No, but that's fantastic. I mean, the approach, I think you've got the science, you've got the equation, you've got the formula, right? So I can actually go on and on, but I think I'm going to now turn the table, and we've got mics, so it's your turn now. Neha and Mahesh are here. Please feel free to ask your question. Just make sure you raise your hand, identify yourself, and here we go with the first one.
Oh, the giggly girl behind me.
Hi, Neha.
Hi.
This is Ankita from Republic TV. My question to you is, what is the no-filter thing you have done or said in your life? Anyone?
We showed you that AV. This is the scariest and most unfiltered thing. I've never spoken about Spanx in front of anyone, so it's kind of embarrassing because it's out there now and it's on YouTube for life. And I think the most unfiltered thing that I have done in my life is definitely host this show. Like, I know that I'm really putting myself out there, because as much as Varun is not wanting to talk about Alia, I'm also saying stuff about Alia, and then I'm also saying stuff about Arjun, and I'm also saying stuff about everybody who comes on the show. So yeah, it's but I had reached this point where I just we used to have I've had so many amazing conversations with all these people who we call celebrities and A-listers, and when I talk to them off camera, they're so much fun and unfiltered, and I'm just like, you know what, we should put this out there. And it's not like they're talking about their personal lives, or it's not like they're gossiping. You didn't hear any of that. This wasn't a gossip show. It was a show about them just having fun. So yeah, that's the most unfiltered thing I've done. That may be a lie. I've done a couple of unfiltered things, but let's not talk about that right now. Yeah.
Also, the episode is really interesting, and I really find it very amazing. So, do we have No Filter Neha 3 coming up any soon?
I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully, it'll all depend on how much love we get from the audience. It'll all depend on how much, you know, the press supports us, because I promise you, season 1 did so well because of how much love and support we got from the press. And, you know, you're nothing without your audience, and when you're doing a talk show, you're nothing without your guests. So I don't know, for as long as my friends or all the famous people I know keep coming on the show, I'm sure we will. And depends on, you know, if things go well with Sawan, unless they go and get like No Filter. I don't even want to name a famous person. It doesn't sound right, but yeah. I mean, for sure, like if everything goes as planned, we would, yeah, why not? There's no reason not to. I mean, there's lots of people who still haven't come on No Filter Neha. I have a
If you're trying to get one person.
Yeah, for sure, Shah Rukh. He better come. Shah Rukh Khan, are you listening? You better come on No Filter Neha season 2. I'm not even getting to season 3. We still have 6 guests that I haven't named, so yeah. Somebody, whoever's going to the next press con after this, please put out the message.
Hi, Neha.
Hi.
Arimanya.
Hi.
You've done a lot of celebs, and you also have been part of Bollywood. So, do you have any principles and protocols which you follow, like not hitting below the belt? You just mentioned it briefly. But there are certain people who would love to give that kind of gossip to you. So, are there any no-nos which you have yourself set aside that you will not do this or that on a particular show?
Oh yes, absolutely. We have, you know, the thing is that all these people who come on the show, or all the people you've seen on season 1 and season 2, are all people who've come on the show because at some point I've been friends with them, or I've known them, or I've had great conversations with them at work, or maybe I've just simply worked with them. I never talk about their personal life. I definitely take them there. For instance, even with Varun, he's the one who's admitted there is a special someone in his life. I would never bring it up. That's one thing I don't do, because I don't like discussing my personal life, you know, in public. But yes, if somebody asks me a blatant question, I will give a blatant answer. The other thing is, sometimes when we do our research, we get a lot of information that shouldn't be out there in public. Like, a lot of their friends get very carried away with telling us stories about them, but we do definitely filter those stories, because sometimes when I'm listening to the stories, I'm just like, no way, this guy's going to get up and leave if I mention this. So and for me, I have to be very, very sensitive towards my guest, because they're taking out time and coming for this. There's Ranveer who's coming up soon after Varun, and you know, we've discussed everything from, you know, football stories to how it was when he was growing up. But I don't think we ever reach a point where we'd like to offend anyone. And I repeatedly say this every time I speak to members of the press, or whenever we're talking about the show. It's not a gossip show. It's just an unfiltered chat with my super famous friend.